Hi, my name is Kala Devi. I am working as a General Manager Operations.
My name is Jenny Kaur. I'm the Retail Business Consultant for Sparkling Hallmark, the brand marketer for Caltex Malaysia.
Hello, I'm Ellie.
My name is Nazri. I'm a property manager with one of the managing agent company in Singapore.
Hi, I'm Suresh. So currently I'm working as an operation manager in supply chain.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Dr. Angus， 我是BP Cairo 的 CEO。
My name is Kanaga Sabai. I'm General Manager in Wilma International.
I'm Muhammad Khairul Anwar.
Hi, I'm Titi Huria.
I'm Datuk Sri Muhammad Fazli bin Hassan.
Wow, I think it's an eye-opener for me.
A lot of things, although I know, but I learned a lot new things from this course.
Oh, I feel great about this course. Of course, the two experienced lecturers actually give us a very good thought process and give us confidence. They actually build us how we should look forward and grow ourselves.
我觉得这一个 workshop 真是让我大开眼界，因为我们没有想到能够把管理学当成是在战场上面作战的样子，所以很感谢Mr. Khoo， 也很感谢这个 UBA 给我们这一个机会，让我通过学习《孙子兵法》来管理我的团队。
I learned about the leadership.
I was very impressed with the today's course because it actually made me learn so many things, realization, and what I could put into practice into the organization when I get back to Kuala Lumpur.
Build your confidence self-esteem to manage as a manager and as a boss.
Full of knowledge, it's full of strategy. It's a very useful for entrepreneur. I believe also it's also useful for the politician, manager, all kind of senior positions. You know?
Of course, I think this program is very amazing and good for all of us. People like me, hungry to grow in our life, I think I would strongly recommend to attend this 2 days amazing course.
Very beneficial because a lot of customer related things we can learn. So basically very useful for my day-to-day work.
I already implemented at my own organization and it's really proven.
It's an eye-opener for me. So I think once I step out from here, my brain really started to work.
What I get from this course is learning a lot of flexibility and adaptability at the constant changing world, which I can apply to the outside world.
Actually, I have got a couple of candidates that I should recommend to that they can come by and benefit how I have benefited from this 2 days course.